Hello guys, I am Mustafa Chaudhary and this is our YouTube channel. It is very informative and interesting video in this channel. So subscribe this channel and watching this video. Don't waste the time. Let's start. Our topic is moving into implementation. Learning objectives. Be familiar with the system constructions process. Explain different types of tests and when to use them. Describes how to develop user documentation. Key definition: implementation is the development of all parts of the system, the software itself, the components and new operating procedure. Managing the programming process. Project management during constructions. From CIA to CEO. Project manager's task during programming: assessing the programmers, coordinating the activities, managing the schedule. The programmer paradox: more is not always better than less. After the right number of people are assigned to a programming task, editing more people slows down rather than speeds up completions of the project. Project requiring a large team should be broken into a series of independent similar parts. Assigning programmers: minimize the number of programmers. 2 communication channels, 12 communication channels. Match programming task with programmer capabilities. When skills are deficient, apply monitoring and training. Coordinating activities weekly, hopefully brief meeting, create and follow standards, organize programmers work areas: development area, testing area, production area. Implement change control mechanism, use program long to monitor program changes. Makes research or development of use. Testing: ensuring system fulfill requirements. Testing philosophy: testing helps ensure that the system performs as outlined in the specification. It is dangerous to test early models without an overall testing plan. It may be difficult to reproduce sequence of events causing an error. Testing must be done systematically and results documented carefully. Categories of testing: subtesting, test control structures before all models are written. Unit testing, test each models does it performs its functions. Integration testing, test the integration of models, do they work together. System testing, test to assure that the software works well as part of the overall system. Acceptance testing, test to assure that the system server organization needs. Step testing: unit testing, black box testing, focuses on whether the unit meets requirements stated in specification. White box testing looks inside the model at actual code. Integration testing, user interface testing, test each interference functions. Use scenario testing, ensure that each use scenario works correctly. Data flow test each process in a step-by-step function. System interference testing, ensure data transfer between systems. System test requirement testing, ensure that integrated did not cause new errors. Usability testing, test how easy and error free the system is in use. Security test, assurance that security in functions are handled properly. Performance testing, assure that the system works under high volumes of activity. Simultaneous users peak transaction volume. Documentation testing, analytic check the accuracy of documentation. Acceptance testing, alpha testing performed by users to assure the accept the system. Frequently repeats. Error test, beta test, use real data, not test data. Actual users monitor for errors or needed improvements. Use sign off following. Acceptance testing indicates the system is ready to be placed into production. Thank you guys watching this video and subscribe our channel.